Hey man, say it ain't so, bruh. Say it ain't so, man. Say Travis Scott did not hype y'all up to buy these black toe Reimagine Jordan 1s, man. YouTube family. Yo, what's good? What's poppin', y'all, man? Your boy Jay is out here being dangerous, crossing the street again while I record, man. What's good with it though, man? Today is Saturday, man. Release Saturday, y'all. Hey, you know your boy Jay had to pop out because these last few releases have been hectic, bro. It's only right for me to come out here and see what these black toe Jordan 1s are doing, man. Online, I don't know. It seems like they sold pretty good online. I want to say it's only a couple sizes left on the sneakers app, man. So I love it, bro. Like it's looking like the ones are getting the respect they're supposed to get, man. But before we dive into it, y'all already know what to do, man. Hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up for your boy Jay, outside Jay that is today, man. But yeah, man, we rocking out today. I am going to a couple stores. I'm out in front of Champs. I don't know if y'all can see it, it might be blurry, but I'm in front of Champs right now, y'all. I'm about to go on Champs, and I'm gonna try to hit up as many other spots as I can because your boy Jay, I told you I don't be popping out early no more, man. Look at the time. Hold on. Bam, you see the time right there, y'all. It is 6:17 p.m. my time out here, and I just been chilling, bro. I ain't want to pop out too early because I don't get out with the crowds no more. That's over with for your boy Jay, unless it's something rare, you know what I'm saying? But speaking of rare, let me show y'all what your boy Jay is rocking today, man. So up top, y'all, I got on this, what is that? Is that a Anaheim Angels hat? You know what I'm saying? Rocking that Angels hat up top. I do got on the Goodfellas tee, man. If y'all know Goodfellas, it is a mob movie, gangster movie, you know what I'm saying? Goodfellas tee on, crossbody joint, you know what I'm saying? LV, you already know. I got on some purple shorts, man. Look, y'all, the weather has enabled your boy to rock some shorts today, man. So I brought out some shorts and on feet, man. I had to come early with it, y'all, because, you know, your boy Jay is always early, man. But I did rock the bang Jordan 4 rare airs, y'all, man. So I brought them joints out today. That's what I got on feet, man. Take a look at them, Rare L, man. What we doing with them, y'all? Do I need to hit y'all with another vid on these, man? But Rare Air 4 is one of the best 4s, in my opinion, to be releasing this year, man. Y'all comment down below, bro. Give y'all a nice close-up. Hopefully it's doing its justice on the focus, bro. Hopefully it is, man. But yes, man. Fire shoe, in my opinion. Y'all comment down below. But that is the fit for today, man. Like I said, we out here. What's going on, bro? Like I said, man, we out here checking out these black toes if they still available, and that's what we doing, man. So like I said, man, tune in and let's see if we can find some black toes. Rare ass, bro. Like, bro, I don't think y'all understand, bro. Like, these go so crazy, man. Like, definitely top 10 pickup of the year for your boy Jay. Double up, mandatory, all that good stuff. But anyways, man, Champ Sports, y'all, first stop of the day. Told y'all we gonna see if Champs got the ones. And would I be surprised if they sold out? I don't think so, y'all. Nope. But on the walk-in, it looked like it's no hope, man, unless they got them behind the register. But as of right now, I'm seeing Dune 13's first shoe, $179, y'all. Like, what's going on with that price, bro? Like, it needs to be a lot cheaper than $179 in my opinion. But got some Dunes. Now these, I showed y'all these in a previous video. They are the Concord Jordan 1 lows, y'all. So I was wrong, y'all was right. These are the Concords, as you can see it on the inside. It does have the Concord, the Jumpman written on the inside in the purple, but they brought them back, man. They retro the Concord lows. I ain't mad at that, y'all. But a couple other pairs of lows that we done seen in previous videos, RMs and stuff like that. Showed y'all these. These is kind of different, kind of unique. It got 3M on there. These is clean, bro. I'm not mad at these right here, you know what I'm saying? I like what they doing, but yeah, got those, and I don't see any black toe Reimagines, but I'm gonna ask them up front, and then if they ain't got it, we're gonna go on to the next spot. All right, y'all, so leaving Champs, you see back there, they did not get them. So that's a store that didn't get the black toes. So we're gonna go to Foot Locker and see if Foot Locker got them. If they ain't got them, we're gonna pop out to another spot. So we're gonna find some and get some here in this video, man, if they not sold out, but we gonna see. Oot Locker, not Foot Locker. Oot, because the F is kind of unshaded, but we gonna see if they got them in here. How y'all doing? Hey, did y'all get the ones today? The black toes? Y'all got some? Okay, bet. Y'all still got some in? Okay. I was just seeing if y'all had them. I'm just getting some footage. Appreciate y'all. But yeah, look, my question was answered, as you can see right here. So They did not sell out completely, which I didn't think they would, but I expect for these to dry up. Y'all ain't gonna lie. These are not gonna sit around for a long time, in my opinion, but we'll just have to see. Will they go on sale? Anybody think that? I don't think so, but you know, they are here. They do got a pair right there on display. Should that be a thumbnail? Nope. I don't know, we'll see, but got those, got Doom 13s. That might be the only 2 retros this in particular store has. Actually, they got the yellow ochre 6s down here in the cut, man. Comment down below, y'all. Is this a good price? $170 for some yellow ochre 6s? This is a fire shoe in my opinion. I got a pair at the crib, but I'm not mad at these yellow ochres. Pretty much the Carmines with the yellow hits on them. Not mad at those. But we got these Joker lows on sale for $110. Ain't $110 the retail? $125 was the retail, but nah, those need to be about 90 bucks like how they were when they first released. But these are some RMs I have never seen, and they are hideous in my opinion. I'm not a fan of these, man. Y'all comment down below. It seems like they starting to give these just the regular Nike and Jordan brand treatment, y'all. They putting every single colorway under the moon on them shoes, bro. Like, you know, a couple of them look good, you know. I'm not mad at these. I'm not mad at the black cats down there, but bruh, what y'all doing with the taxi joints? And then when I say taxi, I mean a taxi in a bad way, y'all, but we ain't gonna spend too much time in here. We did find a store that did have them. Let's see who else got them, y'all. Real quick pit stop, y'all. I had to stop and fill up the beast, you know what I'm saying? Gotta put some gas in the whip, y'all, so stop real quick. But hey, while we here, man, I wanna ask y'all, man, what is the black toe Reimagines looking like in your area, y'all? Did they sell out? Are they gone? Y'all comment down below real quick. But let me fill up and then start crying because of how much it's about to charge me to fill up my truck, bro. Look, this, I don't know if any of y'all own any V6s supercharged, bro. They drink gas, bro. Like, I'm at the gas station almost twice a week, bro, from a full tank of gas. It's crazy. But I love my whip, so it is what it is. Bruh. And it just keeps going and going and going and going. Bruh. Alright, we're gonna stop at 74, y'all. So on the walk-in, y'all, they have them early, y'all. If y'all don't know what these are the Nike SB Dunk Low aluminum joints, y'all. So yeah, they got these early over here, man. I tell y'all, it's a spot that be getting them, that be keeping them early, and it is retail. As you can see, these don't release until the 19th, I want to say, y'all. So we got these a few days early. I'm not sure when they put them out here, but they do got them early, man. The Nike SB Dunk Low aluminums, and right next to them, we got another colorway, man. Comment down below, bruh. Like, bruh, these is, oh yeah, with the orange swoosh. Oh, they going crazy with these, bruh. Gum bottoms, I think that these are fire, man. Both of them, y'all. Which one y'all like better, man? Y'all comment down below. Those or y'all liking these, bro? Like, whoo, bruh. Not mad at them, y'all, but both of them here, they got them both for retail, $115, as you can see. Got a pair of these black with the gum bottom joints right here. Like, they keep some dunks in here, y'all, and they still do have the recently released Supersonic pair right here. So I'm not sure what sizes they might have left in those, but they do still have them, as you can see, man. So Supersonic joints still on deck in here. Y'all comment down below. Cop pass on those, but like I said, man, these are early, man. Y'all let me know. Are y'all picking these up on February 19th? I want to say as a release date. Let me know down below in the comment section. I'm sure it probably come with some extra laces, maybe like black to match off the side panels. But these is clean, man. I'm going to refrain myself from copping those today, man. You know your boy Jay always be picking up early shoes out of here, but I'm gonna hold back today. But Saucony's on deck. This is a clean colorway right here. Not mad at this blue joint, you know what I'm saying? Y'all copping Saucony's? What y'all doing with them? But got the blue pair, got the green, got the red. Couple New Balances on deck, as y'all can see. Which pair of Saucony's is these, y'all? What y'all doing with them? Y'all copping these? I'm good. I mean, hey, I'm not mad at they design, but I'm good on them, y'all. But New Balances, we saying all that. Let's keep it moving. Couple t-shirts, y'all, real quick. This Thrasher t-shirt that caught my eye because it does go with the theme of today's video, the Jordan 1 black toe Reimagines. That'd be a dope tee to go with them. But speaking of t-shirts, got quite a few of them up in here, as you can see. They keep some dope graphic tees in here, but this one right here caught my eye, the Atlanta Braves joint, as you can see. And then This one caught my eye just now. This is the White Sox, a Chicago White Sox. Oh no, it says North Side on the front, but it does resemble White Sox. But hats, y'all. This is a spot where I come and get a lot of my hats. I tell y'all, this first area right here will be all the snapbacks right here. So let me know if y'all see any snaps y'all like. I think that this is a cool little hat right here. This Arizona Diamondback, dope little cap. But fitteds is where your boy Jay be getting it on at, man. So this fitted right here look like it goes with the Jordan 4 white cements, y'all. Did anyone cop any of them shoes that released today in San Francisco? Comment down below. But this will go crazy with the white cement 4s, man. Y'all comment down below. But it looks like all these right here, this whole little row go crazy with the Jordan 4s. But outside of that, got a Phillies joint that is pretty clean. Memphis, black and red. Couple dope caps in here, man. Y'all comment down below if there's anything that y'all see that's catching y'all eye, man. But pretty much I showed y'all all these already. Got this purple Atlanta Braves joint. Yeah, I showed y'all pretty much all these hats for the most part. You know your boy Jay had to cop this one, y'all. This is the one that a lot of y'all be saying that y'all like from mine. But this is where I got it from. If y'all don't already know, I got that one. And I did pick up another one from in here, y'all. It's down here, this Chicago White Sox, y'all. So I picked up both of those. Both got them from out here. I don't think they will be available at anywhere else, but this is the spot, y'all. This is the spot where I'll be getting a lot of my hats, man. So just a quick walkthrough in here, but we got to go ahead and get back on the hunt for these black toe Reimagines. But before we go, they do have a collection over here for these SBs, man. They got some tees to go with them. You know, like I said, bro, these is super clean, bro. Not mad at them. Y'all let me know these or the aluminums, which one y'all like better, but fan of them, y'all. I'm not gonna cop because I don't need them, but I am not mad at these. Snipe, let's see what's sniping and snipes, y'all. So on the walk-in, I already see them, bro. It's looking good, it's looking good. But before we get down there to the J's, man, let's put some respect on New Balance, y'all. I've been showing y'all a lot of New Balances. Y'all been liking the New Balances. I showed y'all these before, and I think they clean. A nice summer shoe, in my opinion. Clean. Y'all comment down below if y'all rocking with those. This is a clean colorway, y'all. This black and chrome. These is clean, bro. Y'all let me know, bro. Y'all a fan of these? Like, these is, yeah, I'm a fan of them, bro. Y'all comment down below, man. And y'all rocking with the chrome and black joints, y'all. But got those. I showed y'all pretty much all the other colorways that we do have right here, so it ain't much new. So we just gonna skip over that. But for Marrows, this is a clean neutral colorway right here. This tan joint, you know, clean, nothing special. Got this darker colorway right here as well. Not mad at those, but Nike Dunks is doing what Nike Dunks is doing. Going on sale, man. You got this black and gum bottom joint. Comment down below, man. Y'all liking these, or do you like the ones I just showed y'all from the skate shop better? But not bad. But down here, man, walking into the section of the day, y'all. They do got some DT Maxes in here, the Atlanta Falcons. Told y'all I'm passing on this one. I'm good on this colorway. But they do got some trainers as well, the Racer pink joints. Still got some coppers in here on deck, y'all. Coppers is still sitting at a lot of places. Got a big pair of these Olympic 6s. Speaking of the devil, I just told y'all about that Atlanta tee that'll go with them, y'all. But they still got a big size in these. What is this? Like a 15, y'all. Size 15. Speaking of size 15, I got a size 15 in the flu games to whoever want them. Whoever is a part of the yacht gang, man, the yacht club, I got a 15 for y'all in the flu games. But got 14 inside the cement 3s. I don't know what's going on with all these big shoes, but they got them if you need them. But outside of those, y'all, we got the shoe of the day, man. You see what's going on. The Jordan 1 high black toes, man. So yes, I told y'all, man, these they gonna sell decently, but they're not gonna sell out, man. I heard there were lines though in certain places for these, man. So I mean, I love to hear it, but I love to see them on shelves to where, you know, a person such as myself can just walk in, touch them, get them, buy them if I need them. I love that for those, man. So outside of that, we got the 2 3s, the green joints. This is a clean colorway, y'all. I talked to y'all about these in the past, but it's a clean colorway. I like it, you know, with the sale on it. You got the Jordan 1 low OGs, Game Royal still on sale for $109. Then you got, of course, the UNC collection, the lows, the mids. Yeah, but bread lows, y'all, man. Comment down below. Y'all a fan of these bread lows? I think that they're pretty clean. But I mean, it's looking like another pair of these I've already seen. They're all starting to clash now because they done made so many colorways. But I ain't mad at those at all, man. But that's pretty much it for in here. All right, y'all, so we here in finish line. Take a look at the first shoe we have here, man, the Jordan 4 Fears, y'all. These must have restocked, because I know these dried up at a lot of places, but they do have pairs right here on the shelf, and they got 2 displays, so they might have quite a few pairs, but they do have the Jordan 4 Fears still. That's a good sight to see, because like I said, man, these have dried up, so if you need them, Finish Line and Make 'em All do have them. But outside of those, we still got these lows right here, reduced to $90. Clean pair, man. Your boy Jay got a pair at the crib. I'm waiting for summertime. I'm gonna bring them out, but do got these in here. You do have the Bread Jordan 1 lows, clean pair right there, man. And Concords, man, I guess Concords are popping up everywhere, but the Royal lows, this is a good price, y'all, 85. Your boy Jay is about to get his hands on the OG high 85, not high, but the OG low 85s. So I'm looking forward to getting that soon. And you do got the black and red joints in here still, man. Yes sir, yes sir. But got the black and white pair. And yeah, got that as well. And I just want to grab these and compare them to, of course, today's release, man. The Jordan 1 High Black Toe Reimagines. Take a look at that, y'all. So this is pretty much the black toe lows. Like I tell y'all, they come out with an iteration of every shoe. I'm sure they got a mid that looks like this as well, y'all. And look, man, your boy Jay, they closed, bro. They let me in here. They said, hey, do your thing, man. That's when you do good by people, man, and you do good business, bro, you get that type of treatment. So I'm the only one in here giving y'all this footage, man. Make sure y'all thumbs it up. But yes, like I said, lows, highs right there. Comment down below, man, just to kind of wrap it up, man. Did anyone cop these? Like I said, I'm excited that these are still available. They said they sold pretty good over here, man, but as you can see in my hand, y'all, they are still available, man. So y'all comment down below, did y'all cop or did y'all pass on the Jordan 1 High Black Toes Reimagines? But that pretty much is it for in here. Y'all, gotta hit y'all with the outro, man. It's pitch black out here now, man. But in conclusion, man, the Jordan 1 Black Toe Reimagines are still out here, bro. They have not sold out. Let me know how they looking in your area. I can only speak on behalf of my area, man. Like I said, bro, it's a good thing to see not everything is gonna be as crazy as we thought, you know, but I did still hear that there was some lines for that shoe. But I do know, y'all, I'm telling y'all right now, there will be a line for the Jordan 12 flu games, man. So be prepared for that, man. Like I don't care what nobody say, those are gonna be the craziest release of 2025 that we have gotten thus far. I think they're gonna be 10 times worse than the 5s, but we just gonna have to wait and see, man. I hope that they do a lot of raffles and not first come first serve, because it's gonna get ugly. But outside of that, man, that is pretty much it, man. Your boy Jay has got to head out. Like, you know, I'm out here making more, y'all. If y'all heard anything about Macon, Georgia, it ain't really the best place to be, especially at night. I'm out here in the front right now, security right in front of me, so that's why I'm kind of just filming and doing what I'm doing right here. Otherwise, I'll be out of here doing it somewhere else. Because, bro, check this out real quick before I leave. I want to show y'all how real it is out here, right? Like I said, we in front of Macon Mall. Take a look at this, y'all. Look at the ground, bro. Yes. What y'all think happened right here? What y'all think? If y'all don't know what this is, y'all, ladies and gentlemen, this is glass. That is car glass, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that is what goes down out here, man. So your boy Jay is about to pack it up. I'm gone. I'm headed to the crib, man. But appreciate y'all as always. Y'all stay blessed. Enjoy the rest of y'all evening. And yeah, stay safe. Stay strapped. I'm gone, man. Peace.